I live in San Jose, California. I'm the owner of a natural health clinic. So a lot of people have approached me with products to sell for many years, multi-level products. If you sell this, if you sell that. And I've looked into them, and I really didn't find anything that I thought had the quality, the price, or the structure that served both the seller and the buyer, that it was a win-win for everyone. So I always said no. A few months ago, my dentist sends me an email. She says, this company is growing fast. You should get involved. It was Atomy. So I clicked on it, and I read about Atomy, and I got to the point where I found it was multi-level, and I stopped. And I did not continue. I deleted her email. I said, oh no, another multi-level? Oh, this is not for me. And now here's the part where my teeth come in, right? Because a few months later, I needed to get my teeth cleaned. So I go to the dentist, and I lie in her chair. I'm lying in her chair, and my mouth is open, and you know how they put that thing to suck okay, so I'm like that. I feel like a fish, right? And she starts talking to me about Atomy. And I can't say no, because I'm like this, right? So for an hour, she talks to me about Atomy, the most thorough cleansing she's ever done. Really good. At the end of an hour, I think, you know what? This is different from the other multi-level companies. I am skeptical, but I will look into it. So I bought a few products, and I gave them to my staff, family, and I then began, when I got good feedback, to give them to a few of my patients, and then more and more. And I got the feedback very quickly. These are very high quality products. The price was great, and the organization seemed to have no hooks. You know, it was an honest, open organization. So I decided to go all out, and I decided to invest and put a lot of my time and energy into Atomy right from the start. I remember my first purchase was September 18th of this year. 3.5 weeks later, I became sales master. It was quick. But I had the help of so many people, because one thing I love about Atomy is that we all work together, right? You know? So I'm loving this company, and I'm loving the fact that I can provide products that are high quality and actually serve people, while at the same time rewarding myself financially and helping to reward others who also take that step forward to finding their own financial freedom through what Atomy has to offer, which is quality, price, and an open heart and honesty in all their dealings. Thank you.